Hello, friends. This video, I'm Sandy, by the way. This video walks us through my Wildflower Celebrations 8 page. So what I did was I took Stampin' Up's Wildflower Celebrations workshop kit, which created 6 pages. And I just took what we had and added some more paper and some bling and came up with my own design with 8 pages. So what I've done is I've um, punched apart all of the punch part pieces. I've cut apart what I needed to cut apart, and I've cut apart the sticker sheet so that you can see exactly what you need to gather for each layout. So this first one, the pink pages, if you get my kit, everything's kind of divided paper-wise, but you'll want to get these guys. These 2 stickers are stickers that you're going to need. You'll need the Celebrate sticker and then all these other punch out pieces, 2 of the large and 1 of the small leaves for that. And here's what we're going to make with that. These 2 pages here. So when you're building this, you're going to put the pink pieces 1 inch up from the bottom all the way across. Then you've got your floral pieces that are going to go about 3/4 of an inch down onto that pink piece, centered, and come up onto your base page. Then add your photo wells, and your kits don't necessarily, have some of the photo mats you need, but not necessarily all of them because the kits, I changed them. So if you want to use your photo wells, you can, or just write in with a pencil where, 3x4, 3x4 on the orange pieces, what goes there. So once you get everything kind of in place, make sure, as always, that you're only putting adhesive in the middle so that you can lift this up and add your stickers. Put this one down and then this one, because otherwise you'll have to kind of peel it apart to get it off. These little sprigs are really fun. Make sure they go down before your orange pieces, obviously. This is a sticker with a paper piece underneath, a sticker over top. And then this one, I used all the yellow bling for that particular page. So there's our pink ones. Then with the blue, again, here we go, all the things you need. Your pink spring, the love this, that tag, one of the flower punch outs, one of the flower stickers, 2 of the blue flowers, and then we're using our teal colored bling, those 2 pieces, and here's what I made with it. So this is, the base page is actually the polka dot piece, and here the base page is white with a 4x12 and an 8x12 attached to the white. Add this 2-inch piece next, 2x11, and then you've got your 2 floral pieces are the same size. They're 5x10. One of them goes this way, one of them goes this way. Then again, add your photo mats, but only keeping tape in the middle so that we can then tuck, because behind here you're going to dovetail and tuck these. The tag goes in there, your sticker, and the other one's over here. So again, when we talked about dovetails, these 2 get dovetailed. And then this is that card. It's just that floral card. Where did that go? I forget where I put that. Oh, that was in the first piece. We don't use it there. It goes in this one. Whoopsies. Um, and then, yeah, I mean, again, I think this is pretty quick and easy. Your bling, and then 2 little guys down there. I put the stickers here and here. This one is a paper piece so that I can get my picture underneath. This one up here is where I put the sticker. No stamping, no hoopla whatsoever with this one. It's very straightforward. All right, so grab the balloon, cupcake, cake, punch outs. And again, here we need 1 big, 1 little. Wildflower, the sticker that says special days, and then the orange tab, and then this one here that's got all the little like tassels on it. And then here's what we'll create with that. So we're going to start with our 12 by 12 designed papers that are special just to this kit. Your bigger of the two cake pieces goes here, the smaller one goes here. They should line up perfectly in the middle based on how I cut them, fingers crossed. Then we've got a 2 by 10 white that's going to go over here, and your 8 by 10 white that will go over on this side. Photos, add your cake, making sure that you can still get your picture behind here. Same thing with the balloons. I put it on foam, but I didn't attach um, right underneath here so that I could still, again, slide that picture in. We've got special day. And then with this one, I did use my gel pen or my black journaling pen and just did double squiggles around the edge. We're going to use 1, 2 of the little and 1 big pink gem, and then all the green gems go on this page. Then for our last set of pages with this kit, you're going to want your cake piece, the blue cake sticker, this pink piece, blow out the candles, 1 big and 2 little leaves. We're going to use the pink, the darker pink gems, and then 2 large and 1 small of the lighter pink gems, and then the hooray. And with this, I made my squigglies go in the same direction. Totally up to you if you want the squiggly paper to kind of dive into each other like this to create kind of a point here, or like this. We've got our 2 by 11 pieces that go a 1/2 inch in from the edge. Then this is a 3 by 10 and a 5 by 10. Make sure you show about 1 inch of your striped paper there-ish. Add your photo wells. This one butts right up to the polka dot paper. You're going to add your hooray sticker down here, and whatever's left over there should fit right up here for you. With this cake, I would get that leaf in there before you add your cake. Sticker, then leaf. And these are all punch outs. So again, very quick and easy. Hope you like it. You can order this kit online, I think right now. Oh no, they're sold out. Never mind. It's gone. If you want any of these pages, let me know. I've got, I think, 2 kits left. Thanks for watching, friends. I'd love to hear from you.